Hello children, welcome back to the e-learning class. Today we are going to see the new topic, that is Sisters Save the Day. Now children, let us see the activity. Pass a message to your friend who is far from you without leaving your place. Now children, let us see this activity with teachers. How they used to pass a message without leaving their place.
Oh, I don't have English textbook. So I have to call Dinesh Miss now to send soft copy of English textbook. Hello. Hello Dinesh Miss. Good afternoon. You have soft copy of textbook, English textbook? Can you send me it on WhatsApp? Okay. Thank you Dinesh Miss.
Yes. Good afternoon, Shivanjali Miss. Yes. I am having. Okay, I will send you. Okay, Miss. Okay, bye. Oh, but I don't have in my phone that soft copy. Okay, then I will send message to Preeti Miss. Please send me that on WhatsApp.
Oh, I have received a message from Dhanashri Miss. Let me read what is the message. She needs a PDF textbook of English. So let me send her on email.
Children, how did you pass the message? I would like to share about me. I used to pass the messages by sending emails on WhatsApp messages or text messages, and sometimes I used to call to my friends or relatives, and in this way I used to pass messages. Children, share your answer with your parents, or else you can ask the same question to your parent. How did you pass the messages? Children, would you like to know how two sisters, Ria and Tia, passed the messages to each other? Let us read the story first. Sisters, save the day. Ria and Tia are sisters. They like to do everything together. They are away when Ria attends the art class and Tia goes to the swimming class. Their problem is that both of them want to know what the other one is doing, but they have no way of finding it out. One day, they buy a set of walkie talkie from a toy shop. Ria takes one walkie talkie and Tia takes the other. Tia stands far away and Ria speaks very softly into her walkie talkie, saying, "Hello Tia, can you hear me over?" Tia laughs and says softly into her walkie talkie, "Yes." Next day, they both carry their walkie talkies to their art and swimming classes. Both are able to hear each other during the classes. The following day, at Ria's art class, her teacher sets up the furnace outside the class for baking clay items which the students have made. Tia watches as the teacher carefully covers the furnace and goes inside the class. Then Tia sees some flames coming out of the furnace. She quickly calls out over the walkie talkie, "Ria, call your art teacher. Flames are coming out of the furnace." Ria tells her teacher, and the teacher quickly calls the fire station. Fire engine reaches there, and within minutes they douse the fire. Everyone is safe because of Tia's alertness and the set of walkie-talkies. Now children, let us see meaning of the new words. First, FURNACE. Furnace means a device that provides heat. Second, FLAME. Flame means blast or fire. Third, DOUSE. DOS means stop fire burning with water or pour a liquid over. Fourth, FRE. Fire. ENGINE. Fire engine means fire truck or Damkamal or Agnishamak. Fifth, ALERTNESS. Alertness means awareness. Once upon a time, there were two sisters, Ria and Tia. They liked to do everything together. They were away when Ria attends the art class and Tia goes to the swimming class. But children, they used to miss each other's company. Their problem was that both of them wanted to know what the other one is doing, but they had no way of finding it out. One day, Ria and Tia went to a toy shop. They bought a set of walkie-talkie. Children, observe the picture carefully. Ria took one walkie-talkie and Tia took the other one. Both of decided to take a trial. Tia stood far away and Ria spoke very softly into her walkie-talkie. She said, "Hello Tia, can you hear me? Over." Tia laughed and said softly into her walkie-talkie, "Yes." Next day, they carried their walkie-talkies to their art and swimming classes. Both were able to hear each other during the classes. Children, let us see what happened in the story next. The following day at Ria's art class, her teacher set up furnace. Children, furnace meaning is a device that heats materials or a device that provides heat. Her art teacher set up furnace, or we can say stove, outside the class for baking clay items which students have made. Tia was passing by the same way and she saw that the teacher carefully covers the furnace or stove or heater and moved back inside the class. Suddenly, Tia saw some flames coming out of the furnace or stove. Tia quickly called out of over the walkie-talkie. She said, "Ria, call your art teacher. Flames are coming out of the furnace." Then Ria immediately told her teacher, and the teacher quickly called the fire station. Fire engine reached there within minutes and they doused the fire. Everyone was safe because of Tia's alertness and the set of walkie-talkies. This is how Tia became hero with the help of walkie-talkie. Children, I hope you enjoyed the story. Now children, let us go to the next. I write. What was the favorite scene from the story? Children, write the answer in your own words. Let us go to the next. I talk. Children, would you call Tia a brave girl? Discuss with your partner or with your parent. Question number 2. Does she have any quality similar to Tanu? Children, share the answer with your parent. Let us go to the next. I write. Match the following images with their meanings. Children, as we learnt the meaning of the words, you have to match the following pictures with their meanings. Let us go to the next page, page number 38. Question number 2. Answer the following questions in your notebook. Children, based on your understanding, write the answers of the following questions in your English notebook. Let us go to the next. I practice. Question number 1. Talk to your parents and ask them to share some incident where they or someone else acted like a hero. Draw and write about it. Do it by your own. Question number 2. Narrate the story to your parents or your siblings. Here we will stop. Let us meet in the next e-learning class with new topic. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.